Okay, I put the Trollmaster kit on my boat on a Mercury 99 Pro Kicker EFI. It was a pretty simple thing to do. Come back here, I'll show you what I did. Here's where the servo mounted on the back of the motor. Step back a little bit, you can see here's the back of the motor. Here's where the servo is. It was a pretty simple installation. Put the bracket on, pull that bolt out, put the bracket on. I wound up putting 2 washers in between the bracket and the motor to shim it out because this bolt under here would have kicked the bracket out a little bit, and I didn't want stress on the bolt, so I put a couple washers there. Seemed to go together real good. Put the crimp on the wire, on the cable. Simple, simple, simple. Over to this side, here's the other bracket. Another pretty simple setup. Just take the bolt out, actually this was a nut and washer. Put the bracket on, hooked this cable up here, had to remove this linkage up right here and add this new linkage, which was simple. You just grab this black thing, you just pull it right off, screw the new parts together, put it over the ball here, put this cable onto this ball. This just clips on real easy. Tighten up the set screw and everything was adjusted right, and this was just barely up against the ball. Have this cable good and tight. Make sure that you keep the idle up here up against the set screw so your idle speed stays the same. Was easy. Here's the bracket again. I ran the cable through here, down under there, across, back up to this side. Hooked up to the servo. Servo wiring ran down here, across the front, down into the bottom through here, across, and then I ran the cable out through the grommet that holds the battery cables in place. In order to do that, I wound up having to take this side cover loose here. Just was a matter of a couple bolts here, one down here, one here. I just loosened them up, pulled this out a little bit. The grommet up here came out real easily. Put the wires in, the cable in, got it all together. I ran it through the sleeve here down into the bottom of the back of the boat. Went pretty simple. I mean, this is a real simple installation. I know online there's a couple pictures that just don't do it quite justice, so I thought I'd do this video. And that's where I'm at. It's working real fine here in the garage, but let's see what it does in the water eventually, and we should be all set. So again, servo, 1 bolt out, couple washers added. I put the crimp on as the very, very last thing just to make sure everything was tight. Replaced the servo arm with a longer one. I went over every bolt, every screw, made sure they were all tight. And voila, here we are. Cable's going through the bottom here, a little hard to see, but that's where the wiring harness went through. Across the back. Here's a little bit of better view from the back of where stuff is on that side. Over here to this side once more. Easy, simple installation. Anyone can have fun with it. Have fun. Good luck. Catch fish. Bye.